This conference will now be recorded.
Okay. Okay, guys. So recording is started. Okay. So for example, not executed means what? For example, this site is not working. Flipkart I'm not able to access. Then I will not be able to click on a sign up. So I will not able to test this test case. So not executed because of the defect or because of something it is not executed. Okay, that is what. So prerequisite is, so what is the prerequisite to test this scenario? That all we will come, we will write in the prerequisite. Prerequisite means precondition. The exact precondition, what is, so to test this login sign up functionality, the site should be available. This is my precondition, right? So URL should be available and working, right? Accessible. And then we'll mention this one. URL should be available. Below URL should be available. You can write. Okay. And sorry, it is a my precondition, guys. So it will come in a precondition. Here it is. Okay. So here it is coming here as a this one precondition. What is my test data? So user is able to register with a valid mobile number. So my mobile number is my test data, right? Mobile number I want or not valid, one OTP will come, something will come. So a genuine mobile number we need, that will be in the test data. Okay. Again, what are the steps? So what are the steps, guys? Okay, the steps are step by step instructions you will give about the scenario to test. Okay, so verify that user is able to register with the valid mobile number. For that you have to write this one. Okay, one step one is launch this URL. Okay, so we will write launch the URL and this one. Okay, and then expected is user should be able to launch the URL, launch the specified URL is also fine. So this will be the first step. After this site is you are launching. Okay, then next is click on a login and then sign up. Okay, so mouse over on a login and then click on a sign up. Mouse over on login and click on sign up button. Then you will write user should be able to, so or else pop-up should be displayed, right? Pop-up should be displayed. This one, they should come, right? So after user is able to click on or user is clicking on, so user should be able to get the pop-up. So guys, you can write in your own language. The language is not any rule of writing, like there should be should word. Okay, should one come, but you can write, okay, user should be prompted with this alert, or the window should open like that, or yeah, few here and there, it is okay in your own. There is no rule about that. Okay, pop-up is displayed, then enter, you will write enter mobile number. What is valid mobile number? Enter mobile number, enter valid mobile number. Enter valid mobile number and then some mobile number need to provide. Okay. Then user should be able to input mobile number. So this is my expected for that step. Okay, mobile number, then continue. Okay, for example, you are providing some number and then you will click on a continue and then OTP should be sent. Okay, so in the expected you can write OTP should be sent. Okay, enter valid mobile number and then user should be user should receive OTP. So more proper is the expected is this one. So user should receive OTP. This is my expected for that. Okay, then you will write a input OTP, right? Input OTP and then click on a and then set password. Okay, and then user should be able to input OTP. And then next is what is next is input the password and then user should be able to input the password. Okay, so that should come. What is this one? Step 5. Next is step 6. So user is able to sign up. So sign up. Next click on a sign up. Okay, and then user should be able to sign up. Okay, so and then this is also I will merge and then I will give all as a this one. This is my test case, guys. Okay, so at the time of design you will write this and then give it to the reviewer. Okay, okay, just a minute, guys. Okay, so able to understand, guys, what is the steps are, what is the expected?
Yes.
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 Yeah. Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Mm-hmm. Okay. Okay. So now, guys, can you write this one test case for a sign up with the invalid mobile number or yeah, sign up invalid mobile number. So you will click on. So what steps you will write? What changes you will do? Login, new user, sign up, invalid mobile number you will write, and then what test case or steps you will write? Can you please write on a paper pen or on a notepad? Steps you can write. Okay, and then test case ID, some details about. Can you guys write? Yes, right? Okay, let's try. I will help you guys. Okay. We did
This
not.
conference will now be recorded.
Okay. So I will share you the study material as well, and then you will be able to get that and then read about it. So more uh, again, you can go through that. Okay, so you can remember that way. You can go through the recordings as well. Okay, so what are the testing principles? Let me repeat, guys. Okay, so very quickly I will repeat. So testing principles are from the book side. Okay, it is not someone is saying. As per the testing experts, it is. So as per the testing experts, or as per the ISTQB certification, the testing principles are these principles. If you follow, that is a good testing. Okay, it is not like. Maybe I did not communicate earlier this one. So testing principles are from the standards. Okay, so these are the principles you have to follow in the testing as per the standards. So what that testing principles are? So testing shows presence of defect. With the testing only we will know what are the defects in the application. Okay, so without testing we don't know what is not working, what is working. With the testing only we know that what are the defects and what functionalities are working fine. Okay, exhaustive testing is not possible means your application is completely bug free, everything we have tested and there is no bug at all. We can't say complete 100% application is 100% bug free, there is no defect, no single defect, we can't say. Exhaustive testing is not possible. Complete I have done everything like perfection, no, not possible. So principle says that exhaustive testing is not possible. With this we are saved, right? So we can save, we are saved with this principle, saying that we will say to the client, if in case, in the worst case, something is gone wrong and then something client is finding the defect which we were not able to, so we will say that exhaustive testing is not possible. That is a testing principle. So it is not possible to do that exhaustive testing like completely. So although high priority, medium priority defect should not be there, any low priority is coming, that is fine. Okay, so it doesn't mean that you are not at all testing and then saying that okay, testing is not possible, exhaustive testing is not possible. That is my testing principle I learned in the training, so there might be the 100 number of defects in the application. No, so very few is fine. Okay, you can say that. Okay, and for that you are saved with this testing principle. So early testing, so testing principle standard says that start the early testing. Start early means whenever your development is started, from that point you start. Defect clustering means defects will not be even. Okay, will not be even means in a one application 5 defects, second application or second module 5, second module 5, it will not be. Defect clustering is 20% of your application can have 70, 60 or 80% of defects. So the defects will be uneven, somewhere some more defects, somewhere some less defects. Okay, because of the complexity, simplicity, the defects will be, the numbers will change in each modules. Okay, it is not fixed or not even. Okay, what is pesticide paradox? So same test cases you have, and then you are running the same test cases, so that test cases will not be able to find a new defect because of that are same one only. So you need to update with the time. Okay, so you have to modify with the time. Testing is a context dependent. Okay, so the testing for different applications is different. You understood that. Absence of error fallacy is what is. So for example, you are testing one application, so you are testing GoToMeeting. Okay, and that is no defect, no fallacy means there are no defects. There are no defects in this GoToMeetings application you tested, but there is no button to join. What is the use of that application? There is no bug, nothing, application is working fine, but the main objective you are not able to meet, that joining the meeting, right? That is main objective of your GoToMeeting, that is you are not able to meet.
Yes, it's the
So
main objective. Without that, we can't do anything, right?
Hmm. Hmm. So something like there is no defect, but the main feature itself is not developed, or some components are not developed. For example, create meeting is not there. Only join is there, copy, personal, invite, that are there. Only create meeting is not there. But you are not developing complete, right? So you are developing half and then saying that there are no defects and then use that. But that doesn't make sense, right? So absence of errors will not make any sense. Are we meeting the client expectations or not? That is my criteria. Okay guys, so what is my criteria here? Are we meeting the
Client
client
expectations.
expectations? Yes. So my client requirements, are we on a track for client requirements? Are we on a track, or are we aligned with the client? Are we in a sync with the client expectations, requirements, everything we are understanding properly and then testing? That matters most than not having the defects or than not having the anything. So suppose half only you developed and then said like half I have done completely very well, but there is a complete half portion remaining, right? The meaning of it. So absence of errors will not make any sense, or absence of error fallacy means not having defects is not a criteria in your application. So whenever buttons you are clicking that are going ahead, everything is working, copy is working, paste is working, there other buttons are there that are working, you are able to see the id, all this one that, and look and feel is also very good, but the major features are only missing. Okay, create meeting is missing, or a join meeting is missing, like that. Okay, so these are the testing principles. Okay, so what are the testing types? So that testing types we will see tomorrow, guys. Okay.
This conference will now be